Devil Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel or whatever version of him that we want to send out from back behind the bars. Me I talk to the version of Vybz Kartel we then send out from behind the bars. My youth.
Well, go on, people. So, if it's the first time tuning into this channel, big up yourself, big up all the subscribers them. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and just subscribe and like the video, alright? So, in this video, you know, you have Queen Ifrica have some words to the world boss. No, she did not mince words when she gave her opinion on certain situation with the world boss.
Want no godliness in a Jamaica. As Saddam and Gomorrah, them a try establish out of the country and have the whole of the people them gullible. Seeing? Gullible and a run back at the devil Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel or whatever version of him that we want to send out from back behind the bars. Me I talk to the version of Vybz Kartel we then send out from behind the bars. My youth, you see if you're not humble in front of the Almighty Creator and do it right now, me I talk the true and living Almighty Creator. Where you pray to fi make you fi beg him fi not make you dead. And beg him fi make you come a road. And beg him and no other God where you bow to can give you the freedom where you pray for in a privacy, my youth. And me see say from your touchy ground, a right which part you going from, a this so you pick up back from. Sir. A right which part you going, you come out and come pick up back from. And I ignore the Almighty Creator who will give you favor. You come out a bat for the devil out the gate you out of that me see you do. And have the Almighty.
Now, this is not the first time Queen Ifrica has criticized a dancehall artist, and you know she's criticized the government as well. Now, she definitely had a lot to say about everything usually, right? And she also had some words for Shawn Storm. Yeah, the loyal Shawn Storm. Listen what she had to say, folks.
Brethren, Shawn Storm. Let me say this to you, Shawn Storm, before me go no further. You look like a little youth where fear God for true. Like somewhere deep inside of you there, you look like little God in you for true. Me want to tell you, say, go and cap, you see that play piano for your grandmother, something they go and do that youth. You see that something that when me see you not try, like you not try set up one little war, if you say, all who in a Gaza we never support Kartel when him did in there. Now that you no come out them fi dead, that now go work. I know that the unity that we want in a Jamaica. So all of the words them won't not true. Fi come continue that divide there. And if we come continue to divide the country and further split the country apart, may I beg you no please stop being pawns for the system and come gather up on yourself together. Vybz Kartel, you have the perfect opportunity to unite dancehall, unite all of the little youth them under dancehall when I do things right. You, sir, after you get better, work on your health, have the opportunity to unite Jamaica. Again, when me see the I do, now go work, it now go work. The first thing you come out, you have your big old back.
Yes, people. So, you know, she continued in her video and she continued making several points. One being that when Vybz Kartel left prison, the first thing him do drink alcohol and promote him grabber, right? Which is of course a tobacco. I said tobacco leaf that you put in the thing there, you know what I mean? But you know, Queen Ifrica has always been, like I said, outspoken, you know, and she always share her opinion. She's not shy to put out her opinion on her social media, and she have a good following, and you know she put out whatever she feels, and whatever she feel is right to her, right? But everybody have an opinion, And I just feel like say, you know, since Vybz Kartel come out already, like a lot of these artists, them head attack them. You know what I mean? Cause nobody was saying anything till him come out. You know what I mean? So what do you think about that? Do you think say I either take her or she have several points to what she has say? Wanna leave in the comments in the comment section below, and at the same time go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Make sure say you hit the like button, cause you know I got some more videos coming on them thing there, you know what I mean? So no, big up on yourself and respect.